Today, in the time of vulnerability, monetary security and the speed of exchanges are essential for the development of economies. Eventually, everything reduces to a carefully designed and exceptionally secure structure that could be useful to store and re-establish all information on the blockchain-empowered state, where exchanging could be worked with alongside quicker installments and exchanges, and all dispensing with the job of go-betweens, a consequence of hard and impeccable work. The outline of torrential slide, a seed thought that was conceptualized by Cornell specialist Emin Gunsayer in September 2020, for the most part putting together the stage with respect to blockchain calculations basically to resolve the issues of sped-up, decentralization, and security. With this sort of strong blockchain innovation, the torrential slide network will go about as a critical power sponsor demonstrating progressive in the realm of installment. As an impetus to empower quick-fire exchanges in the worldwide installment environment, torrential slide will carry revolutionary change to fun. Torrential slide environment is completely viable with Ethereum resources, applications, and apparatuses with quicker speeds, higher throughput orders, and lower charges. It is an umbrella stage for sending off DeFi applications, resources, exchanging, and different administrations for blockchain designers. It permits anybody to send off or exchange any type of resource and control it a decentralized way utilizing brilliant agreements and other trend-setting innovations. A pivotal contrast between torrential slide blockchain and other blockchain stages is its administration instrument. Marking rewards are dependent upon dynamic changes as the framework develops. Torrential slide, the people group and associations. The primary point of the torrential slide local area isn't to lead exclusively on the development way. The torrential slide local area is humming about its achievements and gigantic commitment, particularly after torrential slide opened Denali testnet. It approved the force of torrential slide agreement and light engineering that offers more impartial investment rather than costly equipment, being recorded on famous computerized money trades like Coinbase and Binance. Avax offers its merchants a protected and trustworthy stage, empowering lesser charges and a plenty of advanced resources for single out from. Torrential slide stage has likewise marked a settlement with various biological systems like Chainlink, Bilira, and so forth, taking its forceful innovative drives to a higher level. The essential objective behind organizations is to construct a helpful local area around the world, in this way making an equivalent, feasible, and decentralized world. Aside from these discussions, Avax has made further improvements in its organization and its acknowledgement all over the planet. On June 10, 2022, Japan's top crypto trade OKCoin recorded Avax. Dealers and financial backers are good to go for the recipe erase end of the week. Aside from this, the torrential slide establishment has likewise sent off Multiverse. This new motivator program will uphold new environments, NFTs, DeFi, as well as institutional use cases. Adding to this rundown, Kalau has additionally held hands with Avax to fabricate items for NFT brokers and makers. This will assist them with encountering NFTs in new frictionless and easy ways. Finally, one of the greatest incorporation is that of Chainlink managers and Chainlink YRF coordinating with the essential torrential slide organization. This reconciliation will be really beneficial for the token as it will lessen the responsibility and upgrade the uptime and security of the savvy contracts. This news, incorporation, and acknowledgement will assist Avax with getting the notice of financial backers and merchants. The rising interest will, thusly, lead to the rising worth of the token. The ongoing cost of a VAX is $18.43, with a market capitalization of $5,408,967,424. The 24 hours exchanging volume of the AVAX token is $381,292,309, with a coursing supply of 294,713,816.16 AVAX on the lookout. AVAX digital currency is enormously dependent on decentralized applications remaining in front of other state-of-the-art advances in the current decentralized blockchain networks. The torrential slide conjecture is absolutely subject to cryptographic money market development. A blast time for torrential slide drives the value estimate to remain legitimate on this record before very long. Torrential slide value forecast 2022. Until the end of the year, the base cost and greatest cost are supposed to be $20 and $39 separately, as indicated by our AVAX cost expectation 2022 and specialized examination. Simultaneously, the typical cost might be $29.50 with a difference in 95%. Torrential slide value expectations November 2022. The AVAX cost figure organized by our specialists recommends that the coin will exchange a scope of $28 to $32 in November 2022. The previous is supposed to be the base worth, while the last option is the most extreme worth. Torrential slide value expectation for December 2022. Our AVAX cost expectations uncover that the coin will have a base, most extreme, and normal cost of $33, $39, and $35.50 individually. Torrential slide value expectation 2023. In view of our torrential slide cost expectation for the approaching year, the AVAX coin might have least and greatest costs of $42 and $55 separately. The adjustment of the cost is supposed to be around 30.95%, with a typical cost of $48.50. Torrential slide value forecast 2024. As per torrential slide cost forecast, it is assessed that the coin exchange between the scope of $60 to $73, where $60 is the base exchanging cost and $73 is the greatest cost, simultaneously. There are a couple of presumptions that the AVAX coin might have a typical cost of $66.50. Torrential slide value expectation 2025. The torrential slide coin is supposed to have least and most extreme costs of around $72 and $89 individually, according to our AVAX cost expectation 2025, while the typical cost may be $80.50, with a rate change of 23.61%. Torrential slide value expectation 2026. According to our AVAX cost expectation, the coin might have a typical exchanging cost of $82.50, with a base and most extreme cost of $80 and $85 separately. For the year 2026, the unpredictability of the torrential slide cost is supposed to be very less, with a rate change of 6.25%, according to our cost expectations. Torrential slide crypto value forecast 2027. In view of the AVAX cost expectation, our specialists recommend that the torrential slide digital money might exchange a scope of $91 and $101 for 2027, where the previous is the base cost and the last option is the most extreme, while the typical exchanging cost of torrential slide might be $96. Torrential slide crypto forecast 2028. Our AVAX cost gauge for the year 2028 proposes that the coin's typical cost might be $126, while the base and most extreme costs might be around $111 and $141 separately. Simultaneously, the torrential slide specialized investigation uncovers that the rate change might be 27.02%. Torrential slide coin value forecast 2029. From our AVAX cost expectation, we can reason that the coin's cost might exchange at a normal of $152.50 for the year 2029, while the most reduced and greatest cost of the AVAX token for the year might be $145 and $160 separately. AVAX value forecast 2030. By 2030, our torrential slide cost gauge shows that the expected high of the coin might be $185, with a likely low of $162 in the crypto market. The itemized torrential slide cost examination uncovers the typical worth to be somewhere near $173. Torrential slide value forecast, market feeling.